Hey everyone, in this video, I will show you how to integrate your Hostanger email with Gmail so you can manage everything in one place. Let's get started. First of all, open Gmail on your desktop and log into your account. Once logged in, click the gear icon in the top right corner and select See All Settings. In the Settings menu, go to the Accounts and Import tab. Here you will find options to link your Hostinger email. Next, under Check Mail from other accounts, click Add a mail account. Enter your Hostinger email address and click Next. Now you will need your email server details. For most Hostinger accounts, the incoming mail server is mail.yourdomain.com. Enter your username password and select the proper port, usually 995 for secure connections. To send emails, Gmail needs your SMTP settings. Go back to accounts and import and under send mail as click add another mail address. Enter your Hostinger email and input the SMTP server details, commonly smtp.yourdomain.com. Use port 465 or 587 for secure connections. Gmail will send a verification code to your Hostinger email. Check your Hostinger inbox, copy the code and paste it into Gmail to complete the setup. You are all set, and that's how you integrate your Hostinger mail with Gmail. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more easy tutorials. Thanks for watching.